Guys, chicken feet. Guys, I want to cook this one. Hot and spicy chickens and Koreans. Ano yung chicken feet, guys? Alisin lang natin to. Yung first na kulo, alisin ko lang yan. Pinakuloan ko lang siya para maalis yung dumi. Yung second na pinakuluan ko na siya. Yung unang pinakuluan ko is ni-remove ko yung mga chicken na yung unang dumi. Tapos ngayon, maglalagay na ako ng bawang. Mag-add ako ng chili. Then, onion. Muna siyang lutuin ng 40 minutes. Hanggang sa lumambot. Add ako ng paminta powder. Ito nga pala yung gamit ko, guys. Electrica hot pot. Ayan, mabilis lang siya magluto dito, guys. Korean barbecue sauce. Kimchi. Because I love chicken feet soup. Tomato paste. I put a Korean paste also, guys. For more, And I put seasonings. Now, I see smell good, wow. Paano ko lang to? Palambutin ko lang to become a tender. Ready to serve chicken feet with Korean sauce. Spicy, yummy! Guys, I put some tofu in the chicken feet, hot and spicy. Guys, chicken feet. Gamit ko yung electric pot. This electric pot is so good. Very easy to cook the food. And this things is so very helpful to me, guys. This one is so spicy Korean chicken feet